Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can log on to catway.in for more info on the CAT course. Now guys, before starting the set, those who are looking at for the first time, I would like you to pause the set, pause the video, solve the set, and then only move ahead for the video solutions. Now guys, let us see what do we have. So we have that exactly three people out of the six, that is Sam, Jane, Manohar, Harish, Carl and Austin, had one coin each with them. Now each of those three people who had a coin of denominations different from the other two. Okay. Now the coins of denominations 5, 2 and rupees 1 is present with us. Now five people P, Q, R, S, T were asked to predict the names of the people having the coins of different denominations. Now the following table lists down the predictions of PQRST. Take care. Assume that other than these coins, no person had any other form of money. Now further, it is known that only one person predicted by P had a coin but did not have the coin of same denomination as predicted by P. Only one person predicted by Q had a coin but did not have the coin of the same denomination as predicted by Q. And there are exactly two people predicted by S who had a coin each with them, but none had the coin of the same denomination as predicted by S. Okay, guys. So what do we have is that, see, there are three people predicted by S. Okay, that is Carl, Austin, and Sam. Okay. Now, guys, if you see, Austin is common to all of them. About three people we know about their predictions, and Austin is common in all of them. Okay. Now, guys, we know that between Carl, Austin, and Sam, two of them needs to have a coin, and one person won't be having a coin, right? So let's say Austin. If you check about Austin, what do you find is if Austin has a coin, okay, let's say Austin is one person who has a coin. Now, because S had two people, so one of them is Austin, but none of them have the same denomination, right? So Austin is not going to have 2 rupees ka coin, right? And if Austin has a coin, definitely he has a 5 rupee or a 1 rupee coin. Okay. Let's say now, because Austin is the person who has the coin, okay, and the options for him are 5 rupee coin or a 1 rupee coin, right? So from P and Q also, Austin will be that person who has coin, right? Austin will be that person who has coin. Now guys, what is going to happen is, see, now if Austin has 1 rupee coin, then the one person predicted by P has a coin and of same denomination. That is not possible. And similarly, if Austin has 5 rupee coin, then also one person predicted by Q has a coin and of the same denomination. So that means Austin having a coin is never a possibility. That means among the prediction of S, the people who have coins are Carl and Sam. Okay. Now, if you talk about Sam, okay, if you talk about Sam, so Sam cannot have 1 rupee ka coin, and Sam is the person predicted by P to have a coin, but Sam cannot have a 5 rupee ka coin. So the only possibility for Sam is to have a 2 rupees ka coin. Take. And now you know that Carl is the other person, and Carl cannot have 5 rupees ka coin. Okay, Carl cannot have 5 rupees ka coin. And now Sam already has 2 rupees ka coin, so Carl cannot have 2 rupees ka coin. So the only possibility for Carl is 1 rupee ka coin, right? Now, guys, what we know is that between Austin is not the one. Between Jane and Harish, one of them is there who has a 5 rupee coin. We do not know whom. Okay, between Jane and Harish, one of them has a 5 rupee coin, and because no information is given, we are not able to find it out. Now the set is solved. We'll move towards the questions. So what is the total sum of money with the people predicted by R? Now, guys, apart from these people, everyone has 0 rupees. So Manohar has 0, Sam has 2, and Carl has 1. So the total money with people predicted by R is 3. So option number A is the right answer. Now, what is the total sum of money with the people predicted by Q? So Austin has 0, and one of Jane and Harish has 5 rupee coin, the other one has 0. So the total money is 5 rupees. That is option number C is the right answer. Okay. Now the third is that which of the following statement, if given, would be sufficient to determine the total sum of money with people predicted by T. So let us go through the options one by one. So the first is the amount of money with Sam was more than that of Carl. That we already know, right? So this is not helping us in any way. Second is the amount of money with Carl was more than that of Manohar. Now we definitely know Carl has 1, Manohar has 0. This statement is also not helping us in any manner. Okay. Come to the third one. The amount of money with Manohar was same as that with Austin. Now we know that both of them have 0 rupees. So this also we already know. This is also not helping. That means answer number D is definitely the right answer, but let's also check why is it the right one. So the statement says the amount of money with Austin was less than that with Jane. Now Austin has 0. If Jane would be having 0 rupees, then they would have equal. So that means Jane is having 5 rupees and Harish will be having 0 rupees. Now the money which predicted by T would be, that is not asked, only which will help us to answer the question. Now you know Manohar has 0, Sam has 2 and Harish has 0. So this fourth statement helped us to find out the entire set. So this was the entire set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.